Stay aggressive, kids. Stay aggressive. Let's go.
Jesse, I want the smoke.
Ooh. Good.
It's up.
Good boy, Danny.
What about that little league team you got?
What about it?
No, I'm telling you.
We should, but we're going to get trouble.
I know, right?
Keep fighting, Danny. Anything close. Keep fighting, dude. Come on, Danny. Wait for it, Danny. Come on, Danny. Oh, yeah. Good cut. Good cut. Caught it, Danny. Danny, you caught it.
What up?
Let's go.
Sawyer, Hilfiger.
Turn those heads hard.
Let's go, kid! When I say 20, you say 1. 20. 20. What?
20. Go.
Wait, boy. We'll be losing out in the sun.
Number 2, Isaiah Salazar.
I can just see those. I can just see. I can so see that happening one day. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, we're duking it out, bro.
Drive it. Alright, let's go. Give it right.
James.
Anything close.
Welcome to the cemetery. Welcome to the cemetery.
Got lucky, you gotta finish this.
Let's go.
Oh no!
Hey, go hydrate.
Yeah,
No talking. Get a quick snack.
You go to the bathroom.
Yeah,
I have your blood sugars in the car. You want me to get them?
Hey, don't be disgusted.
Did you get them?
Pick it up, boys. Pick it up.
I'm just gonna walk over there and like,
Forget anything.
what?
That's the closest one? Alright, let's go. It's over there. Where's it? Come on, over there. Hey, if you gotta go to the bathroom.
What kind of food was it? By that little plaza? Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know what it's called, but I know what you're talking about. Something like that. Yeah, something like that. It's a new. It's pretty bomb. Yeah. Okay. They do make it.
So don't get like a cheeseburger or anything. Come on, Bob. Don't eat with chat.
My wife came here.
Lumpia. That's what it looked like. I thought maybe it was a little taco.
Has it sunk in yet that you can have 4 kids now, bro? Yeah.
We're in the right part.
Think yeah, that baby's born. But see, you know, I got 4 kids, but my oldest one, he's 18. He's going to the Navy. He's about to pass the test. And then it's not, and then I got my 2-year-old daughter. So it's like, but you're doing it right though, because they're all gonna grow up together. Like, yeah. See, that's like him. He wasn't necessarily like, oh, let's have a kid. It was
Yeah, ours either.
I'm pregnant. I'm like, I was 19. She was 18. I was like, and my dad was like, get your shit together. I was like,
Yeah, I don't know where to go, bro.
like I told you.
My dad's thing was
That's real shit right there. I ain't got nowhere to go.
no, I was like, okay.
Okay.
I was that
Yeah, for sure. You're good. Carry the world on your own on your shoulders. How's it now, though?
Amazing.
Yeah. You know?
Now I understand.
Yeah. Oh, my phone died. Oh, cool. Well, I can't stream anymore, Jamar. My phone's dead.
Now I'm like, oh, that's what he was protecting himself.
Yeah.
That's why he was doing it.
Yo.
Yeah. Now I always tell my dad, bro. Now I understand that.
It's almost like you thank him, you know?
Yeah. Well, he was a great dad. Now I understand. I'm like, dang.
Legit. And now you're trying to do the same thing, and hopefully it's not.
Without him, I would be lost, bro. I wouldn't even know how to do that.
Yeah. Hey, do you have a travel ball team we can go pay for?
Yeah, because, you know.
Chilling, bro. This is nice. I wish I could be walking around like that if I.
Yeah, so you could get in every game, bro. But hey, every 2 weeks right now, you're getting on base.
Yeah. Still on base.
Yeah. And that's one way to be that's one way to be productive at the plate.
Like a chat, bro. And I knew it hurt you guys. You're the one, bro.
His bones are right there.
Yeah, we're right
No
there.
meat.
When you heard him get hit, you just hear.
Oh.
It sounded like his bones are all locked.
I am jealous though. I wish I could eat like you and not be looking like this. Like this.
Yeah.
Eating grub though, huh?
Grub like the best.
Guys, hey, you guys
still
get
not
a
getting
snack,
great.
some water, Jack, eat that protein bar.
Hey, Jamar, my phone died.
Uh-oh,
So
alright.
I don't know if there's another phone.
I got a portable charger.
Phone,
Okay.
I don't got a cord though. On me. Anybody got a cord?
I got a cord.
Oh, you got a cord?
Which one is it?
iPhone?
Like a C charger type of deal?
The C one? Oh, damn it, I don't have it.
In the dugout?
Right there, sitting in the dugout.
right here, right now. Right in front of us. You don't want it no more?
Huh?
Give some to your homies, water.
Come on. Yeah, we got one more, right? Let's get one.
Give all the homies some homies and
Hey, if you guys win, Coach Jamar takes the whole entire team to Buffalo Wild Wings.
No way. You gotta win at least 2 games for that.
yeah. all three.
I have it.
Hey Mike, I'm down if you're down, bro.
Where?
Scrimmage.
Yeah.